So the kick pedal on this bike is worn. It's a kind of sprocket here that is really torn and so on. So it feels really crappy when you kick it. It's, you know, it doesn't retract and so on. So gonna try to fix it. See, I've ordered what I think is needed. So let's see if we can get it done. First we start with removing the bolts for the variator. So here we have the mechanism. By the way, this is a 12-inch wheel, so it's the long case, 139 QMA. So it might be interesting to see what kind of drive belt. It's Naraku on this one, 788, 1728. So it should be around there. Some say, I think 730 here. And they measure different. So let's see. Oh, it plops out. Yeah, this is pretty torn. So I'm gonna replace this part. You see it, right? Not good. And then this looks okay, I think. So maybe the feather isn't that good. Or maybe it's just this one hassling things. So let's see if I can find a replacement. I bought one, I just gotta find it again. By the way, keep track of these steering thingies, so you don't lose them, where they are located, so it's easier to fit it then. So I bought this to help me tighten it. Let's see if it fits. Use the old bolts. Where can it be? Not there. I think this is the place. Yeah. I think this is the place. Let's see if we can pull them all the way. Yeah, this one goes, this doesn't. So it's a 17mm socket. There we go. Bit more at least. So, seems to be working. Tighten things down. So we got the one I ordered here. That's 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 9, and this one has also. Yeah. So the new one looks much better. So even if you sort of put it back here, all the way back here, and mount it, it will go back to the normal position anyway, so it doesn't really matter. But yeah, this will do. Now we mount it back. It should perhaps, if you grease this, you might get some grease on the belt, and we don't want that, so we leave it like this. So good or bad, I don't know, but hopefully you don't have to kick so often. if you have a starter engine and it works nice. Use these as guiding points. So let's see how it feels. Yeah, feels better, and it turns back, swings back, so it's a nice upgrade. Yeah, better.